Audio means of sound or of the production of sound, and system is a set of interactive or independent parts forming a complete whole. There are a lot of questions that asked, especially from artists like musicians. Alright, they said that, why should I need an audio system? I just can sing and playing guitar to people without audio system, right? So if you want to play music and sing to many people, like in a concert totally, you need an audio system to produce a loud voice, so all of the people can hear you clearly and can enjoy your song. To make it simple, let's just say that you can produce a loud voice. There are a few types of audio system components, such as acoustic source, human auditory system, microphone, AMP, AD converter, distribution network, change and mixing, storage, DA converter, power amplifier, loudspeaker, and user interface. There are two functions of component audio system as general. First, audio system using digital signal processing and network audio and control distribution. And second, an audio system input and output are assumed to be acoustic audio signals with the input coming from multiple acoustic sound source and the output. As we can see that there are many useful VR audio systems in the world today, such as mobile phone, game, theater and cinema, television and radio, and accessories such as earphone, headphone, and speakers, focusing on producing quality sound clearly, as facilities cut to the audio to work with systematic flow of sound. The advantages of audio system. First, components can be set up without need to replace the stereo system. Second, can be used together with the video recorder so that it can be repeated and rotated. For the disadvantage, there are limited components to replacing audio system, and must replace the speakers if they want to improve amplifier.